This is the elevator at this place, the Daquiri deck in Siesta Key, Florida. We're gonna go up to 3. Here we go. We're gonna go down the ground. I don't think the door closed works. Here's your cab view. They got menus on the wall. 2 is for employees only. So this is a HydroFit. Installed 2017, I believe. No one's here, we're gonna go for one more ride. Yeah, the door close doesn't work. Let's listen to the motor again. We're gonna end it down a G. The restaurant is up here. So, pretty nice elevator. I don't think it was the best idea installing a MRL hydraulic right next to the beach, because if flooding happens, this elevator might not do so well. In other words, the pit could get flooded, all the electronics are in the pit. Water and electronics do not mix. Some people getting on. So the restaurant is right up there above us. Anyway, that'll be it.